Hi there, Angela from Juicing the Lemon here. Being able to give feedback fairly and clearly is one of, if not, the most powerful tool you can use to support and develop the people around you, be that colleagues, family or friends. Ultimately, if we care about someone, we want to help them learn and grow and to become their best selves. And they can only be at their best if they know what they do well and where they might need some development. So by conveying this information with kindness, we're equipping them with ideas and knowledge which empowers them. But giving feedback is only one half of the whole. We need to be skilled in receiving feedback as well. Sometimes feedback stings, and if we're not careful, it's very easy to dismiss perfectly valid feedback as being out of hand or not relevant. But we all need to be open to receiving constructive feedback and managing our emotional reactions to it. If we can do this, we can remain resourceful and we can absorb and act on the feedback we've been given. So if you'd like to learn more about giving and receiving feedback, have a read through of the feedback page on the website, and if it resonates, drop us an email. Speak soon.